Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel English Delight with Anju. I hope guys you all are doing well. Guys, um, I used to speak with you guys with off camera. So today I thought I would open my camera and today I'm here not to tell you any story with you guys, but yeah, today I would like to share you something important in order to get our English fluency. Guys, many people they have this type of question. Really, do we need to learn grammar in order to get our fluency? Yeah, guys, many people think about it that is it necessary to learn English without is it necessary to learn grammar? Without learning grammar, we can't speak English. Guys, many people have this type of mindset and queries that I also got this type of many queries that ma'am you just tell me that is it necessary learning grammar in order to get our fluency and for spoken English. So guys, and they also add one question that whenever a child starts their journey speaking journey, that time he she doesn't need to learn extra grammar. So guys, I would like to make you understand that whenever any child starts their journey, that time actually he she learns spoken language only by listening, guys. And the people who are surrounding with them, they are proficient in that language, regional language. Suppose that um, in my house everyone speaks Hindi. So if any child will start learning this language, so he she will learn language by speaking, by listening only. And their parents, they are proficient and they know very well grammar, means spoken English included grammar. So this is the reason they don't need to learn separately grammar. And if you have this type of environment, I mean whole day, if you listen only English and you speak only English, you have such type of environment that whoever have you, whoever stays surrounding with you, if they speak whole day English and communicate with you in English only, and you also speak whole day in English only, so guys there is no need to learn separately grammar. Automatically you will learn grammar, because whole day you will speak and you will listen so many new sentences. And actually grammar there is no need to learn separately, because if you listen whole day, automatically you will grab those sentences, and slowly gradually you will start speaking that sentences on daily basis. So guys, this is the reason that if we speak English whole day or listen English whole day, very soon we will get our fluency. No one can deny this fact that guys we can get our fluency. So this is the reason. I hope guys you must have understood these things that in whole day only we speak 15 minutes 30 minutes, and more than I think 1 hour, not more than 1 hour we speak English in our daily life. So guys, this is the reason that we need to learn grammar separately, because this is not our native language, this is a global language. And In order to get our fluency, we need to learn grammar separately, and this is the main crucial thing, essential thing, that without learning grammar we are not able to speak correct English, flawless English. And moreover guys, many people have this question that what is the fluency. So guys, fluency is equal to reading, writing, speaking. If you are able to speak, write and listen correct English, that time you can say I am fluent in this language, I have fluency in this language. If you are able to articulate your thoughts in front of anyone, anywhere clearly, that time you can say yes, I am fluent. I don't have any hesitation towards communicate my words in front of anyone. My articulation is best, I'm able to make anyone understand. So guys, this video about these things only. I hope आप लोगों को समझ में आया होगा guys. And if you have understood, so please keep learning grammar without help, because without helping of grammar, without learning grammar, you can't speak flawless English, you can't speak correct English guys. So be positive, keep learning, keep practicing. Have a nice day. Bye bye guys.